So let us now start off with question number 6. The following text is adapted from Jean Webster's 1912 novel Daddy Longlegs. The narrator is a young college student writing letters detailing her weekly experiences. The college is organizing the freshman basketball team, and there's just a chance that I shall make it. I am little, of course, but terribly quick and wiry and tough. While the others are hopping about in the air, I can dodge under their feet and grab the ball. Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? Is it A, to compare basketball with other sports, B, to provide details of how to play basketball, C, to state how players will be chosen for the basketball team, or D, to explain why the narrator thinks she might make the basketball team? So which do you think is the best answer? So you can see that she is talking about there's just a chance that I shall make it. I am little, of course. So she's saying that she's little because usually basketball players, they are quite tall. But I'm terribly quick and wiry and tough. Others are hopping about in the air. I can dodge under their feet and grab the ball. So what do you think it is? So if you said D, to explain why the narrator thinks she might make the basketball team, very good. That's the correct answer. Okay, this is the correct one. Because it most accurately describes the main purpose of the text. In the first sentence of the text, the narrator states that she thinks there's a chance she will become part of the basketball team. See here, just a chance that I shall make it. And she goes on to explain that she's quick and tough. Then she's talking about how good she is. Based on these characteristics, she thinks she has a chance to join the team. Thus, the main purpose of the text is to explain why the narrator thinks she might make the basketball team. But what about choice A, to compare basketball with other sports? This is incorrect because the text focuses solely on basketball and doesn't mention any other kinds of sports at all. So it can't be. And B, to provide details of how to play basketball. Choice B is incorrect because the text doesn't describe aspects of the game of basketball. Instead, it provides the narrator's reasoning for thinking that she might make her school basketball team. And then C is incorrect because although the narrator explains why she thinks she will be chosen for the basketball team at her school, the text doesn't go into general decision-making process or the requirements for being picked for the team. So it doesn't say how the players will be chosen at all in this. So she just thinks that she is tiny and she can dodge. But it doesn't really say whether that is a requirement for being.